In this module, we'll introduce the means by which exclusion seals are designed to solve the problem of contamination. We'll focus on the design elements that produce scrapers capable of breaking strong adhesive bonds by delivering the necessary forces to a mechanical surface. We define an exclusion seal as a device designed to protect reciprocating and rotating mechanical systems, such as those with primary components like rods, shafts, bores, and so on. We find these components in hydraulics, pneumatics, pumps, compressors, and many other types of mechanical systems. The majority of Hydrowype exclusion seals are specified by our customers to be constructed from various metal alloys. This is because exclusion seals function in a way that is very similar to a knife. They deliver a cleaving force to the surface of the rod or bore to break an adhesive bond. And in the field of industrial knives, the vast majority are produced out of metals. Almost all industrial knives, shears, slitters, guillotines, and so on, are produced out of a relatively small range of metal alloys. And in many respects, they're made employing a number of traditional bladesmithing techniques. One of the consequences of this is that we can produce blades out of metal that are high performance at a reasonable cost. Metal alloys possess properties that are unique in terms of their ability to support our needs for bladesmithing. Properties such as hardness combined with toughness, strength and yield or ductility. Some of these we achieve with the right combinations of machining and heat treating strategies. Ductility is an important property because it results in a part that has good rod following characteristics, producing a seal that's capable of maintaining close contact with the surface of the rod or bore, which is often described as light tightness. Another desirable property is machinability, meaning that the material does not work harden as a result of the action of the scraper on the rod or bore. This results in a part that's less prone to galling or chattering on the rod or in the bore. Interestingly, these same combinations of properties that make metals unique for use in our applications have gained the attention of a number of high-profile manufacturers. The design elements of a rod scraper share a great deal with the design of other forms of industrial knives, including the same kinds of features as you might find on other high-performance knives: the blade, the point, edge, heel, and so on. All of these elements are configurable in pursuit of the best possible profile to handle the demands of a particular application. It is through the discipline of bladesmithing that we adapt and develop the design of exclusion seals for use in many different types of industries and applications. We do so with consideration to things like material properties, geometry, the processes we've developed for fabricating and machining the components, as well as the treatment, finishing, coating, plating, and other methods for fine-tuning performance. All of these aspects of the design go into producing the highest possible levels of performance in a seal. So this brings us to our stated goal as a supplier, which is to produce a range of seals mostly made up of standard products that serve a wide range of customers and their applications. Where a customer's particular environment and challenge is unique, then our goal is to be able to develop a solution specifically to address their need and to do so in a cost-effective and responsive way. Our M-Series metal wipers in combination with our A-Series and D-Series scrapers are the mainstays of our offerings. We also have the objective of offering seals that achieve different levels of price and performance to address increasing levels of harshness in conditions. And we'll talk a great deal more about this in the next module. But for now, let's say that the M-Series is ideal for moderately harsh environments where the cycle rate is low but the adhesive bond strength may be high. The A-Series is a versatile offering that is ideal for use in very dynamic applications with a high duty cycle and a presence of a wide range of types of contaminants. Under these conditions, the A-Series operates as a preventative mechanism, preventing against the development of strong adhesive bonds. And the D series can handle very harsh, high duty cycle environments with abrasive contaminants and high accumulation rates.